Hi there, how's it going? This is Dash from Pitch Profits. According to a 2023 research from GWI, people are abandoning mindless scrolling for more intentional platform usage, with the average daily social media time dropping drastically and globally. Also, for businesses and people who are looking to try and make their businesses work on social media, the social media shelf life is an average of around 1.5 hours to 2 hours according to HubSpot. So whatever you're posting here on X, for example, is not going to survive for more than 2 hours unless it goes viral, which the chances are less. And any post that you post on LinkedIn also will not last long. It will only last for a couple of hours. I did include another video on how to make LinkedIn work for you. The links are in the description below. You're free to check it out. But how do you grow your business? How do you boost your revenue? How do you make it all work for you? That's where email marketing and SMS marketing come into play. Around 76% of companies rank email among their top 3 ROI generating channels according to Klaviyo's marketing mix report. Email list is an asset that you own and control, making it the cornerstone of sustainable growth, and that's why you get to a platform like Kit, Klaviyo, MailChimp, MooSend, MailerLite, anything or you like to use. For your reference, what you're looking at on the screen is a dashboard of Kit. You can get yourself a copy of Kit for free at fetchprofits.com/convertkit and get started. And the subscribers that you have here are your own, and you have complete control on your subscribers. No algorithm can change that. No fast changing rules or platform changes or policy changes can affect anything. The more you segment your audiences, the more you tag your audiences the way I'm showing you, the more control you have on hyper personalization. It takes work to start with your email marketing programs. It is not rocket science. Proper strategy, content, design, workflows, automation, and the right execution can make it work for your business, regardless of the business that you have. Is that hyper personalization that's completely in your control. No platform rules can change you or affect you. All of the segments, groups, and precise behavior driven data lets you roll out campaigns that are targeted with precision. So you know who your customers are who purchased from you previously. You know exactly who your customers are who purchased between anything between $100 to $500. You know who your VIP customers are. You know who's an email subscriber but not a customer yet. Nothing else can deliver that kind of hyper personalization. It's cost effective compared to endless spending on ads, for example. See, the thing with ads, paid social or paid search, is that you have to keep spending on advertising to ensure that you start getting traffic and you start getting leads for your campaigns. It's something that most businesses need to do, but over a period of time, if you are able to build up a list of emails or phone numbers for your SMS campaigns, your emails and or SMS are going to be cost effective compared to how much you have to keep spending on ad. Your growth is unlimited. Every single email subscriber that you add, each targeted subscriber you add to your SMS or email marketing only increases your potential to earn more, sell more, upsell more, cross-sell more, revenue and profits. That's the reason why you need to drop everything you're doing and focus entirely on email marketing and SMS marketing. You still need to put in all of the effort that require for you to do that is content strategy, blogging, SEO, social media when it comes to digital marketing. At least initially, until you get the kind of traction that you have, that your email and SMS will start working for you almost exclusively. If you have any questions with respect to email marketing and SMS marketing, please do reach out to me in the comments below. If you need help with implementing hyper targeted and complete email marketing and SMS programs, reach out to me, get on a call. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching the video. This is Ash from Pitch Profits signing out.